Well, we must be doing something right. They are watching us all the time. Why? Because they're afraid, and they can feel their power waning. They know their time is short. These people are from an ancient sect that constitutes the essence of corruption. The founders of the notion that we are insufficient to justify our own existence. Be vigilant. It is possible they will attempt to infiltrate our ranks, and they will stop at nothing to retain their power, but do not let them intimidate you. Intimidation is the only tactic they have left in their arsenal, the basest measure of their limited imaginations. The only thing they know how to do is quash dissent and promote the toxic tenets of their system. But you are a wrench in their plans, and we need more of you. Anyone you trust, recruit them, have them join us. Prepare them to defend the truth. The more we scare these bloated masters of corruption, the more desperate they will become, and we will be ready for anything and everything they throw at us. They are on the wrong side of history. Orcs in designer suits, standing guard at the poisoned reservoir. Well, we don't want their contaminated water. No. We dig for something deeper. So let them howl. Let them whine. Let them stomp their feet like infants. The truth will silence them. And like naughty children, we will send them off to sleep deeply, forever.